Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice bounce today. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price, well, let's go through it gapped up, completely collapsed, was all the way down here, and then eventually worked its way and closed up there. That was definitely a very nice move, but this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video on Friday. But if you did, I talked about this being a key area of support, and while it didn't hit it exactly, I think we can all agree that right around there was close enough. So to you technical traders out there that use charts, congratulations, because I can guarantee there is at least a few people out there that took notice of that area of support and accumulated some shares right there, and now they're sitting in a much better spot. So well done there. And that still remains kind of the overall level of support to keep a close eye on. I'm not saying the price is headed back down to 2110, but that's going to be, once again, got more data with this morning, and once more it has held strong. So very clearly, lots of buyers down there around the 2110 mark, so keep an eye on that. In the more near-term levels of support, watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Right now valued at 2140, but remember that is a moving average, meaning that value is going to move and change over time. So preferably speaking, you want to see the price now stay above that purple line. However, if the price were to drop below it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything, because you still have plenty of other areas of support, once more, including that 2110 mark. But yeah, going forward, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? Certainly if the price can stay up above the purple line there. What about areas of resistance? Well, as far as the overall channel is concerned, you have the level way up there at 23, 25-ish area. But before you even, focus, or talk about doing battle with that, I do want to map out more so kind of a near-term level of resistance. And that next key level would be right here up around, what is that, the 22.25 mark. So 22.25, give or take a little bit. I mean, we're talking about a $20 stock here, but right up around that general vicinity is where the next key battleground is going to be. But all in all, very nice recovery, especially after a very nasty start with that gap and trap this morning. But the bulls recovered nicely, so we'll see if they can build upon the momentum going forward. The good news is still 4 days left this week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.